Welcome to our Daffodil Garden Guide. These bright and cheerful flowers are the perfect way to welcome spring into your garden. In this video, we'll show you everything you need to know to grow and care for daffodils, ensuring a stunning display year after year. Daffodils, scientifically known as narcissus, belong to the Amaryllidaceae family. Native to Europe and North Africa, these hardy perennials are among the first flowers to bloom in spring, bringing color and joy after the long winter months. There are many beautiful varieties of daffodils to choose from. Trumpet daffodils are the classic choice, with large, bold flowers. Double daffodils offer a fuller, more elaborate bloom. Miniature daffodils, like tête-à-tête, are perfect for borders and containers, while jonquilla daffodils are known for their sweet fragrance and delicate clusters. To get the best results, plant your daffodil bulbs in the fall, about 6 weeks before the first frost. Choose a sunny spot with well-draining soil and plant the bulbs 4 to 6 inches deep and 3 to 6 inches apart. For a natural look, scatter the bulbs and plant them where they land. After planting, water the bulbs well to help them establish roots. During the growing season, water when the soil is dry, but avoid overwatering. Fertilize in the fall and early spring to encourage strong growth. After the flowers bloom, allow the foliage to die back naturally. This helps the bulbs store energy for next year's blooms. Daffodils are not only beautiful, they're also practical. These flowers are low maintenance, pest resistant, and perfect for naturalizing in large areas. They also make excellent cut flowers, brightening up any indoor space with their cheerful blooms. Daffodils are generally pest resistant, but watch out for slugs and snails. To prevent bulb rot, ensure your soil drains well and avoid planting in overly wet areas. With proper care, your daffodils will thrive and bloom beautifully year after year. Daffodils are a wonderful addition to any garden, offering bright, cheerful blooms that signal the arrival of spring. With a little care and attention, you can enjoy these stunning flowers for many years to come. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and guides. Have questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.